Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Crushers. Today's video is for complete beginners. We are going to install Laravel step by step. Laravel is a modern PHP framework that makes building web applications easier and faster. It comes with everything you need: routing, authentication, database tools, templating, and more, all out of the box. Think of it as a tool that lets you focus on writing clean, powerful web apps without reinventing the wheel. Whether you are building a personal project, a startup idea, or getting into backend development, Laravel is a great place to start. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps to install Laravel on your machine, set up the environment, and get your first app running locally. No experience needed, just follow along and you will have Laravel ready in minutes. So to install Laravel on your computer and to create your first Laravel project, you will need a few things. And the first thing that you are going to need is going to be the PHP. And to check if you have PHP on your computer, you are going to open the cmd command prompt and you are going to type in php-v. And as you can see, I have the version 8.2.12 of PHP, which comes with XAMPP. Also, you are going to need XAMPP, which is going to be your local server. And to get XAMPP, you're going to Google Chrome and you're going to apache-friends.org. This is the official website where you can download XAMPP. And as you can see, it comes with Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. You are going to click on XAMPP for Windows and you are going to install the XAMPP. I have a video on my channel where I download and install XAMPP. Follow that video, you can pause this one and you can resume the video again after you install XAMPP. As I said, XAMPP comes with PHP also, so you don't need to download and install PHP. Also, you are going to need Composer. Search for Composer and go to getcomposer.org. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. And as you can see, you have a getting started where you can read about Composer, and Composer is a tool for dependency management. It's not a package, but it helps you manage the dependencies in PHP. You can manage, install, update, and it can do it for you. So go to download, and as you can see, download and run composer setup.exe. You are going to run the file and install for all users is recommended. Click on that, click on next, and as you can see, after you have installed XAMPP, you are going to select the folder where XAMPP is, and inside PHP and the file php.exe. You're going to click on next and it's going to install inside. I'm going to cancel because I have already installed. After doing this, open again your cmd command prompt and you're going to type composer-v. And as you can see, it's going to show that Composer is installed. If this is not showing, you have done something wrong. And let me know in the comments if you need help with doing this. So the other thing that you need to do is going to be adding the environmental variables. And to do that, you're going to open your folder and you're going to local disk C inside of your XAMPP folder. And here you are going to have PHP and you are going to copy the path of php.exe and you are going to copy this path and you are going to settings, go to system settings, go to about, and here on the right corner you are going to select advanced system settings and here you are going to have environmental variables. As you can see, you can add our environment system variables, and this is going to be the PHP environment variable. As you can see, I have already added this one, and the path is inside of the C folder, exam, PHP, and php.exe. To do that, click on new, enter variable name, PHP, variable value. I haven't copied the right path, I think, because it's showing only, and php.exe. Great. And you are going to click on OK, or you can browse the file directly from here. This will be great because you can copy the path of the file. Go to local disk C, inside examp, PHP, and php.exe. As you can see, it updated with the right file path. Click on OK. I'm not clicking on OK right now because I have already added that. And click on OK. OK, close the tabs. And now we are good to go. So what we need to do now, we are going to create a folder inside of our XAMPP folder, which is our local server, and we are going to host our project inside of the local server. And after going inside the XAMPP folder, you are going to htdocs, and here is the local server. So click over here where it shows the path of the folder, and you're going to type cmd and click on enter. This will open the command prompt. This will open the command prompt, and inside of here we are going to create a folder, and to do that we are going to type in mkdir. This will create a directory, and the directory will be named Laravel tutorial. Click on enter. As you can see, it created the Laravel tutorial over here. So you are going to type cd space Laravel tutorial. Click on enter. As you can see, we are inside of the Laravel tutorial folder. Type code space dot, and this will open our project inside of Visual Studio Code. So over here we are going to click on the menu terminal, and we are going to open a new terminal over here. So to create the Laravel project, we are going to type Composer, create dash project, Laravel / Laravel, and the name of the project, which is going to be my app. Okay, click on OK, click enter. As you can see, it's creating Laravel project at ./myapp. It's downloading Laravel, installing Laravel. As you can see, it's already creating a few files over here. And after this one finishes, I will show you how to connect to the database. So it installed the Laravel, and it also created all the migration and run them. What we need to do is open XAMPP and start the Apache and MySQL, and you're going to the admin of MySQL. This is going to open the localhost phpMyAdmin, and here we are going to create a new database. The database name is going to be Laravel _tutorial _db. Click on create, and it created the database. So now we are going to our project, and we are going to .env file, and here where it says db connection equals SQLite, we're going to set that to MySQL, and we're going to uncomment, and the database host is okay, it's the local host. The DB port, it's okay, 3306, and DB database it's going to be the name of our database, and the name is Laravel underscore tutorial underscore db. The username is going to be root, and the password by default is none. So this will be good to go. So on the terminal, we are going inside of our project. We are going to type in cd laravel slash dash tutorial. We are already inside of the Laravel tutorial, but we are going inside of the folder my app, and here we are going to use PHP artisan migrate, and this will run all the migrations inside of our database. So to run our app, we are going to run PHP artisan serve, and this is going to run on the localhost server. So here you'll find all the documentation of Laravel, how to install it, how to configure it, what you can use for front end, starter kits, and deployments. Also, you will find how to get started with migrations, seeding, and how to connect to the MongoDB, and all the things that you need. We have to run one more time the migration because it's showing the error PHP artisan migrate, and it's running all the migrations. Now let's start the app again. PHP artisan serve, refresh the page, and we are good to go. So that's it. You have now installed Laravel, set up your environment variables, and run your app locally. You're ready to build your first Laravel project. Let me know if you would like to see more Laravel projects in this channel in the future. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.